This is the cooking screen. Here, you can see what item you are cooking and how long before it completes. A large time readout and red ring will move in sync with each other, providing you with the progress of the cook cycle. You can also see a yellow ring. This is an indication as to when the next filter will be prompted. Above, there is a small indicator that displays the percentage of cooks remaining. When the cooking time is complete, you will see and hear an alert. Simply tap anywhere on the screen to end the alert. The food is now completely cooked and ready to be removed from the vat. As you cook, you will see your oil life indicator decreasing. Once your oil life percentage reaches 0%, you will be prompted to filter. Simply tap anywhere in the drop-down to end the alert. Next, tap Filter. Once you skim the vat, tap Start to begin the filter process. The filter process is fully automated. As it progresses, it will display each step as it is being completed. Once the filter is complete, you will see a quick confirmation. From here, you are ready to cook again.